Welcome to Cyanide Roll Up TV. Today we're here inside of the park. You know, see a nature walk. I say, if you had known your roots, you would be in tune to nature. I mean, say nature, you know, because the earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. The world and they that dwell there in a warm tone and look a bomb buckle at pagans. Give thanks for life. Give thanks to the Most High for creation. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah, man, that's my favorite thing this to do on a regular basis. I love nature, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Colors. And you see green and you see yellow. You know. You know. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beauty right there. Look at that. A roll up TV alone can bring on this. You see that? Look at that. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. And we can sight that. Give thanks to the Most High for life, as I say. Wow. Just another nature walk. Come along with I as I stroll. You know what I'm saying? As we stroll along through nature. I wanna just nature walk this. Just appreciate life, you know? You hear that? Natural oxygen. Natural oxygen. Breathing. Yeah, I know. As I say, nature walk, man. And this is Cyanide. And you're in tune with the Roll Up TV. Remember me say, me roll up anywhere on God's creation. And no boy can't stop that. Sealer, the first. You know that. Nature walk. Appreciating the beauty of nature. You know where you go. And this is a pond right here. I don't know where it go. Wow. All the pond are run dry. And I've rescued a turtle before and released him back into this pond. And for some reason, a lot of times when I come back here, I feel like that turtle knows that I'm here, so he might pops up close by. If we're lucky today, we might see him. Or one like him. Yeah, man, but give thanks for life, you know what I say? Give thanks for life, you know that. Yeah, man. Look at nature. I don't know where it go. Yeah, man. Once more again, Cyanide Roll Up TV, and again we just here. Nature walk. Just taking a stroll along. Observing some fresh breath of life. Fresh air that is. I'm just, acknowledging the Most High and His oneness. As I said before, I say it again, the earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. If you had known yourself, if you had known your roots, you would be in tune to nature. Alright? Alright? Yes, sir. Hold up a drop down tree there, boy, you know. And this is a 3-in-1. What you know about that? A tree pop from one tree. Yes, sir. Powerful. The Trinity, man. 3-in-1. I'll praise unto the Most High. You know what I say? Tell you already, you know. A nature walk, you know. Yeah, man. 3-in-1 this. You see it? The Trinity this. You see it? You see it? Ha ha ha. Give thanks. Now they're back on the trail. Nature walk. That's a stroll nature, you know. I appreciate the beauty of Mother Nature, Mother Earth. And for the people them, when you come in a public space like this park here, please me I beg you to stop defecating a bumbuckler track where people have to walk. I'm not pretty that up. Some are not too nasty to you know, man. In real life, because look how much bush. Or you can't go in at the bush. And someone don't want to come defecate and throw all on a dirty shit of paper. All about on the track where people have to a bumbuckler to walk. I mean not even edit that. Jaja. Tell you in the star, sometimes I see me I tell you, man. People are nasty and blood. Hey. Nature walk continue here. Excuse me. I look at outburst just now, but I saw something disturbing. You see what I say? Yeah, man, and some people too bumbuckler nasty. Not pretty about that. How much bush and I right at the track basically where man have to walk. The fussy them shit. Sure. Alright. Back to regular scheduling. At the Roll Up TV, and again, just nature walk, you know. Me, myself, and I, and the Most High. You know. They know. Yeah, no, it go. Life rough in America, you feel like a chattings. I feel like a chatting. Look, and I park, and man, I feel live up. I go on. You see what I say? Holy man, you're rough, boy, man. As I say at nature walk, and I park with it. Looking at I park, a man pitch tent. Man pitch tent and I go and live, you see that? Rough boy, man. But as I say, just go and give thanks for life and appreciate it. And give up praises. And go and live positive and righteous. And don't follow some, you know what I say? Because some people only try to jog you under with them, you know. Them say misery need company. You now get mine, you hear? The miserable on a bumbuckler itself. Can't draw eye in a hat. Up full move, I say a nature walk today, and this is Cyanide Roll Up TV. And every day I'm not showing up face. I just a walk nature, you sight. I just a walk nature. Really appreciating it and giving thanks. Alright now, I head towards probably the sea part. Showing a little bit of the sea part. You know what I'm saying? I say early morning walk this exercise. People all ride past. You know it go. You know it go. Them know it go. Nature walk. Nature walk continue. You see that? They are back on the track. Oh, what is this? Look like a fruit, but I'm not sure what it is. I don't know what that in I comment. Tell me there. In the comment section. Yeah man, roll up TV there upon nature walk again. Blessed morning. Appreciating life, you know, as I say. It's one of the things that Sai and I personally like to do. I love to be amongst nature. You know? Far from pagans. You know that? Sometimes it's better for them by your blood clean self more than a bunch of hypocrites. I swear. Give thanks for life. I mean, I give thanks to the Most High. You know that? Anything else, we'll chuck off. So this is nature, man. Nature in its natural form. Green. That me I talk about. Them see the scenery? Greenery. Greenery. I wonder if them see the scenery. Yeah man, again, just a reminder. This is nature walk. Today we're just strolling through nature. You know what I say? And we are coming right now from nature. And we're going to take a look at the ocean. Yes, sight. Yes, sight. I'm on the ocean over there now. I don't know about sea breeze. Yeah man, roll up TV out there. I'm here. I'm in a gone nowhere. As I say upon nature walk me there. And you know, let's stroll up by the sea here. Taking a look. Enjoying some fresh breeze. I'm not going to vibe, you know it bro. there upon the sea, man. And as you can see, the sea is not out all the way. It's kind of dried up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Nature, man. Right there. At the roll up TV, you know what I'm saying? Rolling up. Seafront. Yes, yeah, man, say. Alright, just there, not the end of the nature walk, but just come on the seafront and sit down and go on all of vibes. You know what I say? Sion, I roll up TV again. And again, I say give thanks for life, you know? Blessed love to each and everyone out there. You see that? Yeah, man. Give thanks for life, man. I say one more time, you have to replenish the body and the mind. You know what I say? And the soul also. Because sometimes, not this earlier. I tell you. What you don't know. Sometimes some crosses and some, you know what I say? Arise, but in real life, it's always good and great to have your, you know what I say, your alone time, your moment by yourself where you hold your reasoning and your levitation or your meditation, whichever one you want to call it. You see what I say? I personally, yeah man, Sion, I like to be amongst nature. Yeah man, to be honest with you, because I find this is where I'm at. I find the most peace, you know, by myself. I find myself by myself. I no disrespect to no one out there. You see me, I say it's good to have, you know, people around at times. But sometimes you need some moment by yourself. You see me, I say? Because I find myself by myself. I never find myself with no one. Give thanks for life and give thanks and present to the Most High. So I see front, I'm there upon and just go on, you know, just go on mile out. I may a petition and I go on play to you guys, the audience that is. Please and thanks, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Help I and I to grow. And you know what I'm saying? You won't regret it because this channel is going to give you some great content. You know what I say? For the future. So just go and stay tuned. Bless up on yourself, each and every one out there. Give thanks for life. Again, what I say? I see you front, man. You know what I say? We're not give up nature for nothing. Look at that. Yeah, man. Give thanks for life.